Hey friends, so if you've been seeing those emotional ads for Jula jewelry with the sad closing down story and offers of free pieces if you just pay shipping, you're probably wondering if it's a genuine farewell sale or something sketchy. Today, I'm giving you the full, honest investigation. What the site claims, the legitimacy check, real user stories with exact quotes, pros and cons, plus red flags so you know exactly what I found. Let's keep it simple, okay? Basically, Jula Jewelry on jula-jewelry.com sells affordable women's jewelry like rings, necklaces, earrings, and bracelets with a trendy or vintage style. They push a heartfelt closure sale story about shutting down the business and clearing out stock at huge discounts, or even free if you cover shipping. First impressions? The site looks pretty, with nice photos, the pieces seem stylish and sparkly in the pictures, and the prices feel like a steal. Honestly, the emotional story and free offers pull you in fast, but many say the real jewelry is cheap costume stuff that doesn't match the ads. Okay, now let's do a quick website legitimacy check. Scam Advisor gives jula-jewelry.com a low 37 out of 100 trust score. Grid&Soft scores it 35 out of 100 and flags it as suspicious. The domain is only about 40 days old and WHOIS data is hidden. Overall, it leans high risk. Secure checkout might be there, but the very young age, low scores, and hidden details are major red flags. Moving on to real user experience and reviews. Trustpilot has a 3.8 score from 38 reviews, but it's very mixed. For example, one person said, misrepresentation. Photo misrepresented the reality of the piece. Gold band was a yellow strip of whatever. Nothing like the photo. Took ages to arrive as well. Another shared, this story preyed on my mom, who is elderly with a limited budget and ended up buying a bunch of jewelry that can't be returned with a total spend of about $380 over 2 orders. The prices seem excessive for what it is, and another irregularity is one order had 13 items, each with a $0 listed price, but the shipping totals to $130. A third warned, I just received my jewelry from Jula Jewelry. I have never seen anything so cheap in my life. I guess it's true, you get what you paid for. I ordered white gold, received silver. Not the same. Both pieces of junk. Do not buy from Jula Jewelry. Then there's this positive one. The golden infinity vintage ring ended up being smaller than I imagined, but in a good way. It looks really delicate on the finger and works great when stacked with another ring. I've been wearing it almost every day. And another complaint, fake ad. I feel fake ad, go through to check out and says cart empty. Emailed them twice and no response happening since 2.3. The pattern is overhyped. Some get okay pieces that look decent, but many feel disappointed with quality, shipping, or the whole story. Now pros and cons from actual use. Pros, some jewelry arrives looking cute for casual wear and stacks nicely if you get lucky with sizing. Cons, quality is often cheap and nothing like the photos, shipping takes forever or costs extra on free deals, returns are difficult, and honestly, the emotional closure sale feels fake to rush people into buying. Many regret the purchase after seeing the real items. Here's one key point on additional evidence and red flags. The viral emotional closing down video and free jewelry just pay shipping offers are classic dropship tactics. YouTube investigations show the story is likely scripted, with very few genuine long-term happy customers outside the site. So, putting it all together, some cute-looking pieces that work for casual stacking, but low trust scores, 37 out of 100 Scam Advisor, 35 out of 100 Grid&Soft, domain only 40 days old, hidden WHOIS, mixed Trustpilot reviews with serious quality and shipping complaints, and manipulative sale tactics make the picture clearly lean toward high risk. My honest take? This looks like a classic scam setup using fake emotion to sell cheap dropship jewelry. You might get something low quality, but the risks are too high. Skip it and buy from trusted stores instead. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you. Just remember to protect yourself and always use a secure payment method. That's about it for this review. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.